And we are going to go back to revisit these words: ceremony, flee, glower, misjudge, and resemble. So just to review, we know that a ceremony is referring to an event that is celebrating a special occasion or honoring someone. To flee means to run away from danger. To glower means to stare in a really angry way. Misjudge means to judge someone wrongly or to form a wrong or unfair opinion about a person or a situation. And last but not least, resemble is the way that something looks. It either looks like or is like someone or someone else. So we're going to play a game called What Do You Think Will Happen? Take a look at this first example. Reggie is upset when he finds out that he is not tall enough to go on a ride at the amusement park. He glowers at the ride operator. What do you think will happen after he glowers at the ride operator? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. Let's look at the next example. Tammy is excited because she gets to be the flower girl at her sister's wedding. When she sees all the people at the ceremony, she begins to get nervous. What do you think will happen to Tammy at the ceremony? Let's look at the third example. Tony once tried eating octopus, but he didn't like it at all. At dinner, he is offered something that resembles octopus. What do you think will happen? Let's take a look at another one. A grizzly bear tries to get honey from a beehive in a tree, but a swarm of bees surrounds the bear. The bear hurries down the tree and tries to flee. What do you think will happen when the bear tries to flee? And let's look at the last example. Angela is upset because she thinks her friend Russ has taken her backpack. She then finds out that she has misjudged the situation. What do you think will happen when Angela realizes that she has misjudged the situation? All right, that wraps up your review for day 5. Great job this week.